Hey guys, new padlock. This is an American one. It's an 1100 series. That's the bit in. All locked up. Single pin pick this one. Hopefully. I've not picked the padlock open before. So there goes. Now I know some of these padlocks they look easy to pick, but every once in a while you get one. It's a real bitch to pick. Just doesn't fall into line properly. It's fine. Not this one. Just finding the spools now. That's that one. I don't think this hook's deep enough. Try for a different angle. No, wasn't deep enough, so now something else has popped up. So now I'm going to feather the tension. Go back over the pins and try and get it back into a false. And it's open. Like I said, you get the odd tricky one. And that was one of them. Spin the plug back around. There you go. Key works. Cheers guys.